In this video, we are going to see how we can activate the trial version for your practice on Odoo Books. So just go to your favorite browser, head over to Google and just search on Google Odoo Books trial, and you will get the official website online trial for free for 15 days. And this involves different modules like CRM, project, accounting, invoicing, MRP, and much more. So you can activate that. Just click here, and once we are in here, we need to choose our apps, because this involves almost all kind of apps. This is kind of an ERP that involves different applications under one roof, that is Odoo software. So choose your apps, get free instant access, no credit card is required. So that's a good point, that we don't need to enter our credit card details. So let's choose something like sales, free with unlimited users forever. That's great. Like accounting, expenses, invoicing. And since we are only working in accounting modules, so we will only select the ones which are relevant to us. Sales, invoicing, accounting, and expenses, I've chosen that. And if we go down, there are productivity applications. We want supply chain like inventory, manufacturing, purchase, let's say repair, maintenance, quality. And I think we are good to go. Let's choose this 10 applications. Just note down these 10 applications and you need to activate the same. Click on continue. And here we just need to mention our basic details like first and last name, the company name, any kind of email, phone number, country, company size. You can choose between 5 to 20 employees, 1 to 5 employees, whatever you want. So let's choose 1 to 5 employees. And primary interest is use it in my company, offer Odoo services to other companies. I am a student and I am a teacher. So I will select I am a student. So I'll select I am a teacher, but you can select I am a student here as well. Just click on start now. And immediately it will show you this welcome screen. Welcome to Odoo, the one platform you will ever need to transform all of your activities, building your sales and all the other applications. So these are all the applications right here. You can choose one of them. So this is the sales module. Let's go back to the home menu. This is accounting, and you will get all the applications like that. So if we go to the accounting module, we can see the dashboard of sales, bank, and all the other stuff. And if we head over to accounting, we have all assets, liabilities, journal entries option, configuration, we have chart of accounts, we have journal. So all the facilities are there in the accounting tab that we are going to cover. But that's basically it. This is how you can activate all of these modules in Odoo. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.